When comparing WooCommerce versus Modalyst for product listing customization, you're probably wondering which platform offers the best flexibility for tailoring your store's products. Both tools are popular, but they each come with their strengths and limitations. By the end of this video, I'll give you an honest breakdown to help you make an informed decision, and trust me, there's a better alternative out there that you won't want to miss. Stick around till the end to find out what that is. First up, let's talk about WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress. One of WooCommerce's biggest advantages is its complete control over product listings. It gives you full access to your store's backend, allowing you to customize the layout, design, and functionality of each product page. Whether it's adding custom fields, changing the layout, or modifying your product pages with custom CSS, WooCommerce puts you in the driver's seat. You can create unique product descriptions, custom pricing models, and detailed specs. So, for those who love deep customization, WooCommerce is a solid contender. Next thing to consider is WooCommerce's reliance on plugins. To unlock advanced customization features like enhanced product pages or custom fields, you'll likely need to install multiple third-party plugins. While this offers flexibility, it can also make your website more complex and harder to maintain. Plus, with so many plugins out there, finding the right ones can be a time-consuming and expensive task. Moving on to Modalyst. Modalyst is a dropshipping platform that integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce. Unlike WooCommerce, Modalyst is less focused on deep customization and more on ease of use, helping you source products from suppliers. In terms of product listing customization, it's more streamlined and beginner-friendly. You can add product details, prices, and descriptions, but you don't have the same level of creative freedom as WooCommerce. The platform is designed to make product sourcing easier, but at the cost of limiting some of your customization options. Next thing to note about Modalyst is the speed and simplicity. The trade-off for having limited customization is the time you save. You don't have to tinker with back-end settings or manually add custom features, making it a great choice for people who want to launch quickly. However, if you need more advanced customization, you may hit some roadblocks. The fourth thing to consider is scalability. WooCommerce is highly scalable, which is a massive advantage if you plan on growing your store. You can continually expand your product listings with greater customization as your business evolves. On the other hand, Modalyst's model is more focused on dropshipping, so if you're looking for highly personalized product listings with custom features, WooCommerce is still the way to go. The fifth point, customer support. WooCommerce offers decent support through its community and documentation, but for more hands-on help, you might need to rely on premium services. In contrast, Modalyst offers direct support, which can be a game changer when you run into issues, especially if you're new to dropshipping. Now that we've gone over the pros and cons of both platforms, it's clear that WooCommerce wins in terms of customization options for product listings. But here's the catch. While WooCommerce gives you flexibility, it requires more time, plugins, and technical know-how to unlock its full potential. Modalyst, while simpler and faster, doesn't offer the same level of customization. Both are solid choices for different reasons, but if you're looking for the absolute best customization for product listings with a smoother setup process, there's a better option. After trying both WooCommerce and Modalyst myself, I found a platform that delivers the best of both worlds. If you want to check it out, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't settle for less when you can have both customization and simplicity. Give it a try and see for yourself.